Welcome to Module 2, Data Frames. In this module, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of data frames in R. Our agenda includes 1. Creating data frames. Learn the foundational skills to construct data frames from scratch or utilizing existing vectors. 2. Importing and exporting data. Master the processes of importing data from various sources and saving your data as CSV files for easy sharing and future use. 3. Exploring data. Develop your ability to extract insights by assessing row and column counts, understanding the structure of your data, and generating summary statistics. 4. Referencing and modifying data. Gain expertise in accessing and modifying specific cells, rows, and columns within your data frames to tailor your data sets to your specific needs. 5. Advanced operations. Discover advanced techniques for selecting, reordering, and differentiating between data frames and vectors to enhance your data analysis capabilities. Equip yourself with essential skills for effective data management in R. Let's get started. Title: Creating Data Frames in R Introduction. In this segment, we will explore the process of creating data frames in R, a fundamental skill for data analysis. 1. Creating an empty data frame. Utilize the data frame function to initiate an empty data frame, thereby establishing a structure for data input. 2. Creating data frames from vectors. Combine existing vectors into a data frame format by using the syntax data frame col1 equals vector1, col2 equals vector2, ensuring that data is organized efficiently across specified columns. 3. Column naming conventions. You have the option to assign custom column names for better clarity and presentation. Alternatively, R can auto-assign names if preferred. Adhering to these structured steps will allow for the effective creation and customization of data frames, facilitating enhanced data management and analysis in R. In this segment, we will explore the fundamental processes of importing and exporting data in R, which are essential for effective data analysis and manipulation. Importing data from CSV files. To import CSV files into R, we utilize the read.csv function. The syntax is straightforward. Data read.csv path to your file name.csv. This command allows R to read the specified CSV file and store it as a data frame for further analysis. Such as exporting data to CSV files. Conversely, to export a data frame as a CSV file, we can make use of the write.csv function. The syntax is as follows: write.csv data path to your file name.csv. This command saves the specified data frame into a new CSV file, facilitating data sharing and collaboration. In this segment, we will explore key functions that provide essential insights into the structure and content of data frames. 1. Row count. To determine the number of rows in a data frame, utilize the command nrowdf. This function returns the total count of observations. 2. Column count. To find out how many columns your data frame contains, use ncoldf. This will give you the total number of variables recorded within your data set. 3. Structure overview. For a detailed look at the data frame structure, including data types and variable names, the strdf function is invaluable. It provides a concise summary of each column's content and type. 4. Summary statistics. To obtain a statistical summary of the data, including measures of central tendency and variability, use the summary df feature. This offers a quick overview of key statistics for each variable. Accessing and manipulating cells in data frames. In the realm of data manipulation, it is essential to understand how to effectively reference and modify cells within a data frame. Below are the professional methods for achieving this. 1. By index. To access a specific cell using its positional index, employ the syntax dfrow column. This method allows for direct access based on integer positions. 2. By column. Name. For enhanced readability and clarity, utilize dfrow column name to reference a cell by its column name. This is particularly useful when working with large data sets where column indices may become cumbersome to track. 3. Reassigning values. When it becomes necessary to update the value of a specific cell, the operation can be conducted with the syntax dfrow column new value. This is a straightforward approach to modifying data within the frame. These methodologies provide a structured framework for precise and efficient data management within data frames. Navigating data frames, accessing rows and columns. In this segment, we will explore how to efficiently access specific rows and columns within a data frame, a fundamental skill for data manipulation in programming. Accessing rows. To retrieve a particular row from a data frame, utilize the index in conjunction with single brackets and a comma. This method returns the specified row as a data frame. Example, dfrow number. This syntax allows for precise row extraction based on the desired index. Accessing columns. To access a column, you can utilize the $ operator or specify the column name within brackets. Both methods yield the column as a vector, enabling different working styles depending on your coding preference. Examples, df column name, df column name. Using these approaches provides the flexibility necessary for targeted data manipulation, ensuring clarity and efficiency in your workflows. Advanced column operations in data frames. Objective. Enhance your ability to manipulate and work with multiple columns in data frames. 1. Selecting multiple columns. Utilize the syntax dfc col1, col2 to effectively select and isolate multiple columns, returning a new data frame. 2. Reordering columns. You can specify the order of your selected columns, allowing for greater flexibility in your data presentation. 3. Understanding output. Types. It is important to note the distinction in output types. Single brackets will yield a data frame. Double brackets, or the $ EO operator, will return a vector. Conclusion. These techniques provide you with powerful tools to manipulate data frames, enabling more efficient data analysis and visualization. Conclusion and next steps. In this video, we have explored several fundamental concepts essential for effective data manipulation in R. 1. Creating data frames. Understanding how to structure your data effectively. 2. Importing and exporting data. Learning to bring external data into R and how to export your results. 3. Retrieving information about data frames. Utilizing functions to gain insights into your dataset. 4. Referencing cells, rows, and columns. Mastering the techniques to access and modify specific portions of your data frames. These skills form the cornerstone of data analysis in R. And to further enhance your proficiency, I encourage you to take the following actions. Practice. Engage with the assignments provided on Codio. Stepping through practical exercises will solidify your understanding and boost your confidence in applying these concepts. Explore venture into various data frame operations utilizing diverse data sets. This hands-on experience is invaluable for solidifying knowledge and skills. Integrate these skills into real-world data analysis projects. By tackling actual problems, you will develop the ability to derive meaningful insights from data. By committing to practice, exploration, and application, you will be well prepared to navigate complex data challenges in R. Together, let's embark on this journey of continuous learning and professional growth.